In this video, we're going to look at how you can format your reference page into APA format. So, first of all, let's look at the title. You need to include a title that says References with an S. And this title needs to be in the center. Okay, that's the first thing. Next, we want to double space this entire reference page. Do not put any spaces between the items. For example, students like to do this, but don't do that. Instead, we're going to double space the entire reference page. Now, my Microsoft Word will look a little bit different than yours. I am using Word online. If you want to use it on your computer, some of these parts will be in different locations. So my paragraph section is here on the right. I'm going to line spacing and I'm going to choose 2. Great. So now I have double spaced the entire thing. Third, we need what's called a hanging indent. And we talked about this in class. This is where the second and third line of each item are indented. This is very easy in Microsoft Word. Again, go to Paragraph and choose Special Indent and click Hanging. Ta-da! Now we have a very clear space for the second and the third line for each item. And this makes it very clear to read and to locate each item. All right, next. Some of your teachers might tell you to get rid of this link and to make it black text. Now, that was okay for APA 6th edition, but good news, APA 7th edition does not require you to do this. It is okay to leave this link blue and underlined. That's okay. So we can leave that and we don't have to do anything in this step. Next, check your spacing after punctuation. So after every comma, notice that there is a space. After every period, there is also a space. Check all of your commas and all of your periods to make sure that this is the case. Okay? Secondly, check that your periods are correct. There's a period after each initial. There's also a period after the bracket of the date. Okay? So even if you write n.d. you still need another period after the bracket. So just check that your periods are correct. And last, check that it is in alphabetical order by the first item in the citation. So the first item is usually the author's name. So here we have J, N, P, and R, W. Oh no! This is an N. Well, this doesn't go here. And actually, I think I have this item twice. So I can take this away, because that item is also right here. Oopsies, sorry. Right there. So I have the title. The entire thing is double spaced. I have included a hanging indent. I have website links that are live. This means that I can click here and it takes me to the website. And it is in alphabetical order. And my periods, commas, and spaces are correct. Now, there is one more thing that will make this reference page perfect in APA format. In the article titles, we actually take away a lot of the capital letters. So we can see in this title, Hawaii volcano eruption costs tourism industry millions, that we can remove some of these capital letters. Now, the rule is capital letters on the first word of the title, the first word of the subtitle, and any proper nouns. So Hawaii is the first word in the title, and it's also a proper noun. But volcano is a general noun. So is eruption, costs, tourism, industry, and millions. So we take away the capital letters on this title, except for the first word and any proper nouns. Do not do this for the newspaper names, okay? Only the article titles. Here with volcano, there's only one word, so that's okay. We can leave the capital V. In the next source, again, we have a lot of capital letters. Gray is the first word, so we keep the capital letter, but pineapple is the second word, so small p. Volcano is the first word of the subtitle. See, there is a colon, so this is the subtitle, so this stays with a capital letter. Devastates is a verb. Now, Philippines is a place. That's a proper noun, so we keep the capital P. But farm is a general noun. Okay? So to be perfect in APA format, we remove those capital letters. Even if the newspaper has capital letters, you need to change it because you are doing APA format. Okay? Newspapers do not use APA format. APA format is used in colleges and universities as well as in research. Okay? If you have any other questions, please let me know, and good luck with formatting your reference page.